Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change mobile number in WhatsApp. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your WhatsApp and tap on the three dot icon to the right hand corner and tap on settings and tap on account, tap on change number, tap on next and enter here your current phone number and enter here your new phone number, and then tap on next and tap on done and enter here the verification code, and you can enter here your name and tap on next. So that's how we can change phone number on WhatsApp. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.